Hello, everybody. Welcome to the coffee cough hour. We'll be coffee and sipping coffee. Uh, anyway, we have this book here, The Outsiders, written by S.E. Hinton, or you can say, or Hilton, or whatever the hell his name is. We'll go with page 74 of his book. I went tight and cold. We never talked about Dallas or Johnny. You'd like that, wouldn't you? You'd like me just to get out. Well, it's not that easy, is it, Soda? Say so popular. So popular. He jumped up suddenly, and bolted out the door. Derry and I were struck dumb. Derry picked up the envelope with Soda. Okay, that's it. That's the paragraph. I did it.